Then, recite natin yung Book of John chapter 1 verses 1 to 13.
Okay.
Ako muna. English siya, kailangan ko sa'yo Tagalog.
Sige.
Book of John chapter 1 verses 1 to 13.
Aklat ni Juan, Kabanata 1, Talata 1 hanggang 13.
In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God.
Nang sa pasimula ay naroon na ang salita. Ang salita ay kasama ng Diyos at ang salita ay Diyos.
He was with God in the beginning.
Sa pasimula pa ay kasama na siya ng Diyos.
Through Him all things were made. Without Him nothing was made that has been made.
Nilikha ang lahat ng bagay sa pamamagitan niya at walang nilikhang anumang bagay nang hindi sa pamamagitan niya.
In Him was life, and that life was the light to all mankind.
Ang nilikha sa kanya ay may buhay, at ang buhay ay siyang ilaw ng sangkatauhan.
The light shines in the darkness has not overcome it.
Nagliliwanag sa kadiliman ng ilaw, at hindi ito nagapi kailanman ng kadiliman.
There was a man sent from God whose name was John.
At naparito si Juan na isinugo ng Diyos.
He came as a witness to testify concerning the light, so through him all might believe.
Upang magpatotoo patungkol sa ilaw, at upang ang lahat ay sumampalataya dito.
He himself was not the light, he came only as a witness to the light.
Hindi siya ang tunay na ilaw, ngunit siya ay naparito upang magpatotoo patungkol sa ilaw.
The true light that gives lights to everyone was coming into the world.
Ito ang tunay na ilaw. Dumarating ito sa sanlibutan upang magbigay liwanag sa lahat ng tao.
And though the word was made through him, he was in the world. He was in the world, and though the world was made through him, the world did not recognize him.
Dumating ang salita sa sanlibutan, ngunit hindi siya kinilala ng sanlibutang ito na nilikha sa pamamagitan niya.
He came to that which was his own, but his own did not receive him.
Pumunta siya sa kanyang bayan, ngunit hindi siya tinanggap ng sarili niyang kababayan.
Yet to all who did receive him and believe in his name, he gave them a right to become children of God.
Subalit ang lahat ng tumanggap at sumampalataya sa kanya ay binigyan niya ng karapatang maging mga anak ng Diyos.
Children born not of natural descent, nor of human decision or husband's will, but born of God.
At sila nga'y mga naging anak ng Diyos, hindi dahil sa isinilang sila ayon sa kalikasan, o ayon sa kagustuhan, o sa kagagawa ng tao, kundi ang pagiging anak nila ay dahil sa kalooban ng Diyos.
Bye!